So here I am adding globs of paint from watercolor tubes, and I started off with dark blue at top and nicer lighter blue, and I was hoping to get some orange, but the ochre yellow really kind of made it a bit muddier than I was hoping to have. So anyways, but you know, as an artist, you just work with it, and here I was trying to correct the blue. So yeah, anyways, but it was fun to create. It's been a while since I worked with watercolor, and here I am doing the silhouette of the skyline, and I'll let you take it in while I do the creation of this. And I'm working with a black watercolor pen. All of this is done in watercolor. It was fun to do. I was trying to get like a silhouette of trees and everything with setting sun sky, and I think if I were to do this again, I would do it a little differently, but that's as an artist, you experiment and you just have fun with it and play with it, right? And that's what I did. So here I'm doing the calligraphy in black ink, and it was very interesting because I waited for the watercolor to dry fully before applying the ink, and it was very porous, so it really pulled a lot more ink than I expected. And then the nib actually grabbed hold of a hair of the brush that I had used previously. So as artists, you know, we can just go with it, we can change it, we can create, and we can change. So here I am futzing with the H so it can be clear. So I just matched up the background, and so that that all was more defined. And there I removed the tape, and there you have it. If you want to learn this calligraphy style that you see here, just click on the link below in the description and I'll get you started on that journey.